Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, stop saying that. So in this video I'm going to show you my uni bag for second year, and I got this Longchamp bag from the Longchamp website, and it was like £110. I got the large tote because I was going to get the medium, but like TikTok convinced me to get the large one, and I'm glad I did get the large one because I'm studying fashion design, so like I kind of need a big bag for like when I've like got all my garments and stuff and like pattern making and all that. So let's pack this little thing. Like, it's really wide and it's a good fabric. It's waterproof as well. Oh my, jeez. It took me so long to figure out how to like do the whole fold up thing, so you can fold your bag. You can fold this bag. So I bought this tote organizer, bag organizer off Amazon, and it's got loads of little compartments because this bag doesn't have an organizer. Well, it has like 2 pockets but it doesn't have an organizer, which is kind of weird, you know, especially for the price that you pay for it. But right, I put my iPad in first. All right, my ID, I'm gonna put it into this pocket. I'll show you anyway. Lol. I'm gonna put it into the big pockets because like when I'm going through the bars it takes a while to like get stuff out of my bag, so I'm gonna put it into the large pocket at the front here. Got a $1, but I'm just gonna put it in one of these pockets here. My Kindle, I'm gonna bring it, so I'm actually gonna try reading it. Like, let's actually be serious. But, you know, you never know, you never know. This number 7 mirror, just gonna shove it in there. And I got these makeup brushes from Larissa, and these were for free because I did this thing where you have to buy like, no, your order over like £20 and they give you a free makeup bag, so that's why I got this. I'm gonna put this at the front here. Very cute. So I got my digital camera. I'm just gonna shove it in here. All right, this is my adapter for my digital camera. It doesn't even work, but I think it's my phone model because I've got a lower spec, so it doesn't really work, but throw it in there for the vibes. Portable, always need it. Put it in this pocket here. There's actually quite a lot of pocket space in this bag. I'm gonna link it down below. From eBay. I saw the one from Amazon and that was like £13, and I was like, nah, I'm going to eBay. And this was £8 for this bag organizer. Oh, charger, spray. This is Vendetta, and it's from France. It's really cute. It smells really good. I'm gonna just, I'm running out of room. I'm gonna put it right into the corner there. Paracetamol, well, ibuprofen actually, is a must. Ooh, I'm gonna take out where I just put the adapter to put the paracetamol in. There we go. This can go into this pocket here. Apple pencil, just to write notes really quickly. Like, if you do fashion design, you need to get an Apple pencil for sketching. Like, it's just so good to sketch and stuff, and also write your notes for uni. There we go. AirPods, I need to charge them. Oh, I haven't got any pockets left. You know what? The granola bar can go. We'll just shove it here anyway, plus we're not gonna use it. My purse, I have no room left. I just have to get shoved into there. Oh wow. Well, this is pretty much packed. Oh wow, that's heavy. Oh, my pencil case. My pencil case, I'm just gonna like, this is my pencil case. So, this one. Very spacious, very big. I'll show you my first year pencil case. Where is it? Here it is. This used to be my first year pencil case for first year, and it's very cute. And like, it's all organized and stuff. It has my like colors here. Oh shit, here. It was cute for the aesthetic, but like it wasn't easy to use, like to get my stuff out, and it's really small. And this is a bag that I bought in London. What shop is it? Asda, one of those shops, and it's just got all my stuff inside. It's just It's so much easier, and I can just put my hand in it and grab stuff inside. That's my pencil case. So these are the things that are going into my bag this year. Okay. It's actually kind of heavy. I'm gonna get shoulder pain. When I went for my induction last week, I was walking, I had shoulder pain. And you know, I haven't felt that pain in a while. It's been a good long time. But let's put it in the bag. I don't really think I'm gonna bring my digital camera into uni, but you never know. Alright. Okay. I'm sure putting this in first. I should have put this in first. I'm putting it in first. It fits really nicely. I'm just going to place it in. That's how it looks. Not too bad. Right. This thing, when you're zipping it open, it just gets stuck in it inside. It's so annoying. So irritating. I already put a stain on the back. I literally used it like once last week. This is literally how it looks like. It's still got its shape because of the bag organizer. It's really heavy. Damn, I'm gonna struggle tomorrow. I can't lie, but I'll show you this stain. It's like there. I don't even know how that happened. But that is it. All packed, literally. I'm so glad I got the L, because when I start doing tailoring for this year, all my tailoring stuff is gonna have to go into this bag, and yeah, this bag is cute AF. Yeah, this is everything that's in my Longchamp bag for uni. I was gonna put a book in here, but no, my shoulder's gonna fall off. That's everything in this bag. Very cute. I really like it. It's so cute. Thanks for watching.